Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Odyssey key fob battery. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 3-volt coin battery. This simple process takes only a few minutes and can save you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started and restore full functionality to your key fob right away. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of the case, usually near where the key ring attaches. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob case should separate. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the case open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. Using your small screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 3-volt battery and insert it with the positive side, which has a plus sign facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once closed, test your key fob immediately. Make sure all the buttons work and that your Honda Odyssey responds to the commands. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.